I know you've seen advertisement just like this one right here.
Will you believe that I'm AI generated? I'm sure you're like, as how? We know they want you. Now AI creates realistic videos and characters like this.
ඔබේ දිනේ ආරම්භන්න Nescafe එක.
Start your day with Nescafe.
Before now, I couldn't read my Bible and I couldn't walk at night, but now I'm very fine.
Still they watch funny videos.
Bros, me I did blogging and YouTube automation with my phone on mine. Made 550k clients last week.
If you have a smartphone and you're not making money with it, you're sleeping on gold. Come learn digital skills with us. It's free.
Hello, I'm Oladosun Victoria, and today we're here to gather reviews from those that bought the eye product in this church.
This is how we put it all together and to create something beautiful for everybody.
Chai. This egusi na heaven. The light foods no they disappoint.
To join Today's Sport TV on WhatsApp for live football updates and highlights on our status posts.
Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can use AI video ads to create a marketing flywheel.
I know you've already seen advertisements like this on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and you're wondering how to create your own for your business, for your brand, to get traffic to your blog website, to get traffic to your business website. In this very video, I'm going to simply show you how you can simply create advertisement just like this. So without further ado, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel. So before you start running advertisement, there should be a particular thing you want to promote, or there should be a product you want to sell, a link you want to generate leads for, and every other thing. Okay, it could be your blog. So this is Google VEO3, and I've already made a video on how to create an account on this very platform and also get your pro account on this very section. Okay, you can see right here, this one right here is a pro account. What I do is to simply head over to my ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and this is the prompt that I'm going to simply use to generate another video just right now. Okay, remember these two right here, which is VEO3, generate only 8 seconds length video. All right, the first prompt is this: a confident young Nigerian woman. If you scroll down right here, you're going to see we have audio section, upbeat, techie, afro background beat. All right, so her voice is clear and energetic. This is what you're gonna simply do. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do that on ChatGPT. All right, this is what you're gonna simply tell it. For instance, this is what I wrote. I want to run an ad on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and I want to use Google VEO3 to generate those advertisements. All right, I'm gonna simply drop this prompt in the video description so you can actually copy it, then repackage it the way you want it based on what you want to promote. Okay, just come over to this session. I'm going to simply give you this stuff. Right, so this one right here, this particular advertisement is to grow your Telegram, WhatsApp group and all of that. Okay, for those people that are building their funnel based blogs. All right, this is the prompt that's already giving me, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go over to VEO3. All right, then make sure you select this. When you select that, it is going to simply change blue color. Right, then you have to simply paste it. Okay, so you're going to read again to make sure that that is what you want. This is what it says here: show energetic young people browsing phone, chatting online, learning about online businesses, flashboard test, join our community. All right, so all of these things right here are what is going to simply show on that video. So we're going to simply click on this submit button, and this is going to simply wait for a few seconds to generate the video for you. Okay, you can see right here the video is generating automatically, so we're going to simply wait for like 1 to 2 minutes to get this video done. All right, so you can see right here the video is already set. Your video is ready, so this is the video. So let's see what they're going to show us right now. This is actually cool. Okay, so let's click on this play button. Okay, so I don't really like this particular one because the beginning part wasn't catchy. I'm gonna simply tell ChatGPT that I don't like this one because it went ahead to give me what I don't like. Okay, so I want to add, number one, the background music there. I want to add a voice there so that it will be catchy enough. Right, so let's go back to that ChatGPT, and I'm gonna simply be specific on this one. So this one I'm gonna simply tell ChatGPT, I'm gonna paste this same prompt right here, then I'm gonna add something right there. Let's say So let's hit on it. So this is what they said. You're going to add a realistic narrator, a lady voice, catchy persuasive copy, mood and background music tune, and lots more, right? For Facebook, for Instagram, for TikTok, right? So we're going to be running advertisements on all of these platforms, right? So you have to make sure you watch this video down to the very end. Okay, so this is it right here. To grow your community, this is what they said. All right, so you can see this one is a detailed prompt just like those ones I have already generated. Okay, I'm going to simply copy this one right here, the call to action. Okay, so that's the call to action, and with Telegram icon and blah blah blah. Okay, when you copy that, then go over to VEO, paste the prompt right here, scroll up, hit on the send button. Let's wait for it again. Alright, so the video is ready for us right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and play it. Okay, so you can see right here, this one is very much cool and better. So let's play this one right now.
Watch funny videos. Bros, me I did blogging and YouTube automation with my phone. Made 550k clients last week. You still watch funny videos.
Okay, so you can see right here, this one is the catchy stuff for advertisement on Facebook, Instagram, and a lot more, right? So all you need to do is simply go ahead and download this stuff right here. After downloading these videos, you're going to simply go ahead and run your advertisement, and I'm going to simply show you how to do that, which means you have to download this video, go over to your CapCut, then re-edit it. So this is basically how to generate this type of videos. If you want to speak Pidgin, just tell ChatGPT to give you that particular stuff in Pidgin. All right, so after downloading this stuff, you have to simply create an account on Facebook. When you have an account on Facebook, create a page for yourself on Facebook as well, and this page is actually what is going to simply help you to run advertisement, because you can't run advertisement on Facebook without having a page, and you have to simply get yourself an ad manager account. Create an ad manager account where you have to simply log in just like this and make sure you add money to your Facebook account. I'm going to simply make a part 2 of this very video on how to run a Facebook ad, Instagram ad, TikTok ad with this AI generated video advertisement. If you want me to make that video, I want you to comment part 2 on the comment section. When I see your comment right there, then I'm going to simply make this particular video that teaches you how to use these particular videos you've already downloaded from VEO3 to run your advertisement, to promote your business, to promote your blog, to promote your application you've already developed and get installed and download, to also promote your Telegram community, WhatsApp community, and lots more, right? So if you're building a funnel based blog, this actually is going to simply help you a lot. All you need to do is to get the right prompt, and I'm going to simply be dropping this video once I see 50 comments. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.
Hey, want to learn high-income digital skills using just your phone? Join our Telegram community. It's all from John Francis.